This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ann and Joe Shimeon. Luxury living at its finest. Presenting the Pinnacle Model, the most sought-after design in Somerset at the Plantation. This stunning 3-bedroom plus den home offers an open-concept floor plan with a spacious family room and dining area, plus 3 full bathrooms. Enjoy the utmost privacy with a serene lake view, complemented by a beautifully designed pool featuring bubblers, a sun shelf, and a spa with a cascading waterfall. The expansive 3-car garage includes a 4-foot extension and pull-down stairs for added storage. As you enter through elegant double doors with designer glass inserts, you'll find a warm and inviting space. The den is enhanced by French doors and wood flooring, creating a versatile area that can be tailored to your needs. Step out onto the tranquil lanai, where you can bask in the morning sun and take in the peaceful surroundings, with decorative tile accents on the walls adding a touch of sophistication. The chef's kitchen is a dream, featuring a large island, granite countertops, a polished mosaic tile backsplash, and rich wood cabinetry. Equipped with upgraded stainless steel appliances, the kitchen also boasts a cooktop with an overhead fan, built-in microwave and oven, soft close cabinets, and convenient pull-out shelving. The home exudes a bright and airy atmosphere, with 12-foot tray ceilings and crown molding in the family room, and light ceramic tile flooring throughout. The bedrooms are finished with upgraded carpeting. The seamless sliding doors open to the lanai, bringing the beauty of the outdoors in. All windows are impact-resistant, providing both safety and peace of mind. The home has never experienced damage or flooding from any hurricanes. Additionally, decorative plantation shutters adorn every window, and the den, foyer, and primary suite feature elegant wainscoting. The luxurious primary suite includes a stunning bathroom with a tiled shower and glass enclosure, double sinks, and a spacious walk-in custom closet. The laundry room is equipped with wood cabinetry, extra counter space, and a utility sink. Freshly painted in December 2023 and with a new pool heater installed in February 2024, with a 5-year warranty, this home is move-in ready. Community amenities include optional membership to the prestigious Herdson Fry Golf Course, resort-style amenity center featuring a pool and spa, tennis and pickleball courts, state-of-the-art fitness center, a 38,000 square feet clubhouse with a restaurant and grill, close proximity to RSW Airport and located in a no-fly, no-flood zone. Don't miss the opportunity to own this exceptional home in one of the most desirable communities in Southwest Florida. For more information, review the details below or contact Ann and Joe Shimeon at 239-896-0362.